Hello, Veronica. It's Glenn here. So I just wanted to report on some very weird behavior. Okay, so um, if I make changes using the uh, the document inspector here, and manually put stuff in here, I can start massaging the content into the layout that it's supposed to be. But watch what happens if and so like I've written this stuff into the style sheet in a way that I know is correct, but every time I load the page, this is what's showing up, and it's really hard to figure out why. I it's I open the document inspector again, and normally this is where the document inspector would really come in handy because I'd be able to troubleshoot. Okay, well, why is it not showing up? And I'd be able to click on the elements like this left column and see what's getting in the way. There might be something like overwriting it or some rule that's getting overwritten, but I don't see any of that. No matter what I do, none of the um, none of the style attributes that I set for this class are getting applied. And I don't know, there's something wacky about the style sheet that I've yet to uncover. I'm not saying I'm giving up on it, I'm just letting you know what's going on. This is really, really unusual behavior. And even if I take what's essentially the guts of the catering page and tried to recreate it here with the contact page, which is essentially what I've done. These have essentially the same layout. There's a column on the left, there's a column on the right, we've got certain styling applied to the text, etc. And that's just not happening here. And I can't put my finger on what the cause of that is. So I'm going to keep at it. I just want to let you know that this is a strange thing that I haven't run across before, but it's probably just, as it always is with this type of thing, there's probably some some error with, not semantic, but syntax. There's probably some syntax error or something that I'm just missing. I've just got to dig through a very, very large amount of code, over 3,000 lines of code, to figure it out. And even with running find commands like I'm doing here, it's just hard. So anyway, wanted to let you know what's going on here, and because I don't want you to feel like I'm not paying attention or giving this project the attention it deserves. I just keep. I feel like I take a step forward and then I get drawn two steps back, and it's a little bit frustrating, but it's par for the course whenever taking over somebody else's work. Pretty normal. I just didn't expect for it to take this long.